So, hello everyone, here is our project for sign language detection that we named ACLT. In the video right now you can see our database that we are showing in a CSV file in an Excel.
So our dataset, as you can see here, are the pixels of the hands. So we can see that the 4 files like step 2 dataset and step 3 train, step 4 evaluate, and step 5 camera. We need these Python files in order to do it.
So first, in our first step, second, we did name it step second because in step first we do install the requirements. So in our second step, we work with the dataset. As you can see, our dataset is from the Kaggle. We download it through the Kaggle, and it has all the dataset like as we show it you like in the pixels of the signs. So we enter it to our code, and then we start our training process. In step 3, we train our model. So let's go to our terminal and let's run our second file.
So as you can see, it's taking a little bit of time to process the dataset. And now it will show, as you can see, all the data.
They all labeled and they're ready to use. So next, we start our third train model.
In here we will train our data.
So let's start it. As you can see, it also takes time because all these processes of processing, it all depends on our machine, how powerful it is. So now this whole process is like training our data, the dataset. Through the dataset we just uploaded, and then it will save everything into the checkpoints. We use TorchPy in order to create our own neural network. Our neural network is based on CNN. We took it as a model, and we create our own neural network based on that, and we train our neural network in order to recognition. As you can see, it's trained by the labels that we took from the first data and like seconds. So we cut the part to show you how much it took. It takes a while, but we don't have time to show it all.
So now it's finally done.
So our next step, as it's done, as you can see. So our next step is evaluation. Why we need evaluate? Why we need to evaluate our trained model? Because as you know, we have to make sure that our model is ready to do recognition and the accuracy of it. It's ready, and then we put into its own NX model. We took the own NX model, and like this model should be trained as the model itself, so that we compare their accuracy as well. So let's enter the code. So again, it takes a while. As you can see in the code, we're using the checkpoint that previously we created with the help of train model.
So as we can see, PyTorch accuracy is 99.8. And the validation accuracy is also 99.8.
The validation accuracy is they train the dataset depending like a Reagan checking dataset and whether it's correct or not, the accuracy.
So now we will see ONNX.
As you know, ONNX takes the model through our newly created neural network.
And the training accuracy is 99.8. And for the validation accuracy is also 99.8. So now it's done, the evaluation process.
So our fifth model is we connected camera feed into our code in order to real-time recognition. So let's start it. It will take a while to load the code. As you can see, our code is not complicated. We just need to capture the camera feedback And so as you can see, our recognition started. This is P in sign language. As you know that your accuracy is sometimes saying different letters, but mostly it's accurate. It's because of the dataset's background. Our datasets, when they created dataset, they used the plain background with the hand correctly like located in the center for all the recognition. That's why our model time to time can make a mistake, but mainly it's accurate. This one is W.
So now we're showing B. B.